Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a market update for Thursday, August 5th, 2021. As you look at the S&P 500, we are still in the rainbow here, but today when the market low, we are at it about one tick higher than yesterday. Actually, the market all-time high. So let's see tomorrow on Friday, the market be able to break out this rainbow area here and move higher. If that's the case, then we have more bull will come in. Otherwise, we still stick in the sideways choppy here. But look like the momentum, it still have some room to put it to the upside here. And if you look at the Nasdaq with the technology stock, it also edged another inches higher than yesterday to make it all-time high again. And look at the Russell 2000, we are still in the rainbow. Okay, but the overall trend that they try to catch up and put it up, so they're looking for headed higher. Okay, either tomorrow and next week, so that they can test the upper bow there again. And look at the Dow. Dow is also moving to the sideways here. Okay, but they try to build up momentum and then try to catch up to put it up also. So overall, the market is still in the uptrend, so we'll stick with the uptrend. And if you look at the crude oil, is still bouncing back and forward between the 74, 75 area, and then the support between 64 and 67 here. So it seems like they are yet rainbow into this area here for now. And if you look at gold, it also try to do a sideways correction after they found a support to run up. So they are still in the choppy sideways here before they can find a way to put it up in the future. If you look at the Bitcoin, it also run up, and now they're in the sideways choppy here before they be able to clear this resistance here and then continue to go higher. In Ethereum, it also same thing, but in Ethereum a little bit stronger. They are still push it up to the upside, but the overall they will have a lot of resistance here, so they need to clear this resistance here in order to move higher. If you look at the all of the sector of the S&P 500, some sectors still doing well. Like financial, today they try to find a way to put it up again. So the momentum it try to clear up and put it to the upside again. So a lot of stock in this sector, like banking, investment banker, they're doing very well, like Goldman Sachs, right? JP Morgan, Schwab, right? They are trying to find a way to put it up again. But the sector is still kind of weak. It's at the energy sector. They are still choppy sideways here. So until they be able to find a support and put it up later. So they are They ran bow between the upper bow and lower bow right now. So the oil stock is not moving much right now. And if you look at the strong sector like XLK, which is the technology, they're still doing pretty well. The trend is still bullish there. So a lot of stuff they're doing well, like Adobe, right? Amazon, they fall out of cliff, but they try to find a support and put it back up again. But Facebook, it also found a support and shoot it up. Google, it also try to find to put it up there. Microsoft, another strong one. They're looking forward to put it up again. So that's the two sectors very strong. The XLV, which is the healthcare, is also doing well, but they are kind of a little bit standard, so people took the profit. So a lot of stock in this sector had outperformed the market, like Moderna, right? Johnson, and Pfizer, they still doing well, even though they're a little bit standard, so people took some profit. So they need to build up the momentum before they can rumble again. If you look at the another sector, it's the semiconductor. It's strong the whole week here, but they are a little bit standard. But a lot of stock they go up too far, so the people took some profit. Like some stock that we highlight for you, like AMD, they shoot it back up. They hit right to the resistance. The people took the profit. So if you are a member of our community, Stock Navigator community, they all take profit at this level. So that's why it's important for you to belong to the group that you can be able to share, and you know when to take the profit, because it's when they hit the home run from 85 to 123 only in 2 weeks. So that's why it's very important for you to know when to get in and when to get out and take profit before someone else take it. A lot of stock in this sector, they also going up, but they are still trying to find a way to put it up. And KLAC, okay, that's another one that they try to put it back up. They have some resistance here. Let's see, they'll be able to carry the momentum to the upside. A lot of the material sector, they shoot it up. The XLB, they shoot it up, but the people, they took some profit. Okay, so they go up, they hit the resistance, so they're in the sideways. So they have to go sideways here before they can find a way to put it up again. The real estate sector is still our form. They still continue with low interest rate. The real estate sector, the builder sector, they still doing very well. The XLI, which is industrial sector, is still very choppy here. Okay, they have not found a way to back out yet, so they will stay in the sideways for a while before they be able to push it higher. Okay, the utility sector is still pretty strong. They break out and still carry the momentum to the upside. Let me see here. Another consumer stable, they have a trouble here. They couldn't go higher, so they pull back. Let's see if they're able to follow support and find a way to go back up again. Otherwise, it's still choppy sideways here. So you have to be careful. Okay, the consumer discretionary is still doing okay here. They back out, they pull back support, and looks like they still try to find a way to push it back up. Okay, so a lot of stuff that we are talking at last week, like applied material. Okay, they're still doing well. They have some resistance here, but they are not going down, so they try to hold on to this level and hopefully continue to the upside. Nike, that's another one that we're talking on last weekend. It still rumble to the upside there. And GGG, this is another one that they shoot it up, but they break out and then they pull back to retest. Let's see if they can hold up to this level here. This is an important level for them to hold up. Okay, so they jump up a couple days and then people took the profit. Tesla also in our list there. So they go up, so they hit the resistance, so now they pull back sideways before they can find a way to push it back up again. So beside these stocks, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast again on the weekend. Take care, everyone, and have a nice weekend.